Hey friends, if you guys are looking to upgrade your bathroom, check out this Garvey mirror. This thing is going to be a sweet addition to any modern upgrade. Adjustable lighting, light, make it dimmer or brighter, and also has fog deterrent on there, so your mirror doesn't get all foggy. Let's check it out. Okay friends, today I'm going to be unboxing and installing this Garvey bathroom vanity mirror with LED lights in it. So just pulled out my old mirror. That was fun. Anyways, let's open this up and we'll get it installed here. Maybe it comes up like that. Here is, oh, that's nice. It's a little mirror, a little like magnifying mirror that's got some suction cups on the back, so you can stick that on the mirror. Give yourself a nice little close-up if you want. Very cool. This is it right here. We just have this, we're gonna screw it in basically, and that little lip is all it's gonna take. It's gonna go right on over the top of that, and just that little tiny lip. So not much, very easy to install actually. All right, friends, so what I did was I took off my outlet that was above the mirror. I drilled a hole in the wall. I fished the wires through, stripped off the ends. So I got my white wire and my black wire there. Make sure you test the wires and the power is off before you do this, obviously. Next, you want to put your little mounting bracket. I use these sheetrock anchors. They work really well for sheetrock, especially if you don't have a stud to drill into. So I just kind of measured the lines between the edges to make sure my bracket was centered in the middle. That way it gives you a little leeway to push it back and forth if you need to. Screw those in, and you want to make sure it is level, so that's very important. Once that was done, I kind of realized that my wall was bowed a little bit, so I wound up putting some washers behind the mounting bracket, and that gave a little enough space to where I could just set the mirror on top of there. So once this was all in and I've made it nice and level, that's the most important thing here. Also, it's pretty easy to do, just 3 screws to hold it in there. Then I reattached my chandelier, or I mean my wall light fixture here, just the white wire to the white wire, make sure we were all connected and good there. Fed them back into the hole there. I forget all the technical terms here right now. I'm putting my light fixture back on. That gave me the wires coming out the bottom. Now I simply just attached my wires from the back of the mirror to those, and we're good to go. So I just clipped off the end of where the plug-in was, and then I stripped those wires and then just reattached them to the ones coming out of the wall there from the back of the mirror. So super easy to do. I did this by myself. I just put a couple kitty litter boxes on the side, was able to just put the mirror on there, and then I tested it to make sure it worked, and of course it did. Fantastic. Here I'm just showing you where the gap was, and you can see how the wall is bowed inward right here, so it only touched on the sides there and not in the middle. So putting those little washers in behind was all I needed to do to make sure the mirror just set right on there. So this is super easy. I could have done this all by myself, but my son wound up helping me here just in case it was getting a little squirrely. But all we did was basically lift it up above the mounting bracket and then lower it down, and it fit in there. So it was super easy to install. The wiring is a little tricky, but other than that, this is easy to do. Okay, friends, here we go. I thought you guys would like to see this, so removing the cover here, the plastic cover on this thing, should be super satisfying. I really like how the backlight is. This is really easy to hang. So my wall here, the studs were here and here basically, so it kind of bowed out a little. I showed you before, but I put just a little washers behind it, so the plate, the little mounting bracket, would stick out a little further, and just put it on there. So that worked out really good. Super easy to hang on there. Do it yourself. Oh wow, look at that. So I did not put Woo. Look at that. I did not put glue on the bottom. You can to hold the bottom in. I didn't feel that was necessary, so I just kind of just the mounted top. You can put like a construction glue on the bottom part of the frame, so when you put it on the wall, it'll hold it there. I mean, this isn't coming off of there. Look at that. That is so. That's okay. Okay, so I think it looks amazing. I like the backlight, how it's just not right in your face. The defrost, I can hit this button. That's powered, just touch it once for off. Push it again, it goes back to where it was before. You can hold it down, and that's gonna adjust the brightness. So we can make it super dim. We can make it brighter. It's pretty bright there. And then if you don't like the white lighting or whatever, you can take this and you can adjust it. So yellow to white, all the spectrum that you want on there. So that's really cool. I like how easy this is to work with. The setup, super easy. Just install that little shelf, make sure it's level, set it on there. No problem. So with this wiring setup, it's like, okay, when you turn on your lights, like our main lights here, it's gonna cause like, the mirror comes on also. So if we were like, hey, maybe we're just, nighttime, we just want the backlight on and not that light. Well, what we have here is, these are just like regular, these are little remote controlled light bulbs. So I was thinking, hey, I could get a switch, wire in a different switch. So it's basically it's on the same line, but it would be a little bit more complicated of an install. And since I just went right off the line, the wire from here, so now when I turn these on, the switch is on, which would normally turn these on. So I can have those on. So you can see it's pretty bright. So if just nighttime and we just want the accent light on or whatever, we can just come out here and have this mirror on instead of all these lights. So that was super handy to have that. Other than that, when I turn the light on, it'd be the mirror and those. So that's a little way you can do a workaround if you just want the mirror on that. And these are just light bulbs with the remote. Super handy. I really like this, guys. Yeah, I think it's such an improvement from what we had. It sticks out a little bit. We're gonna redo our countertops here, but I think it really looks, the bathroom looks super nice here. I'm gonna test the defog. All right, I got some hot water going now. It's nice, take a nice hot shower or whatever. You come out to your mirror and you don't have to worry about wiping everything off or whatever. It's already clear so you can see everything. So that's a nice thing as well there. So, okay, so we can see slowly we're getting a little bit of buildup over here and over on this side as well now. It's almost like a sauna in here right now. But all in all, guys, I think it looks really good. Installation, easy. If you guys are looking for a nice way to upgrade your bathroom, so I mean, I like the backlighting. It's not like we have another mirror kind of like this, but it's got front lighting, so it's really bright, like right in your face. So I like this is more like a subdued, like surround lighting here. So yeah, guys, if you want to check it out, I'll link this in the description below. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. See y'all next time.